Converters used to connect electrical devices from one country to another typically consist of several components. Firstly, there is the transformer. The transformer is the main component and is responsible for changing the voltage. It consists of two sets of coils, a primary coil and a secondary coil, wrapped around a magnetic core. The ratio of the number of turns in the primary coil to the number of turns in the secondary coil determines the voltage conversion ratio. Secondly, some converters also include a frequency converter in addition to voltage conversion. This is necessary if the device requires a specific frequency such as 60 Hz versus 50 Hz. The frequency converter changes the frequency of the input power to match the required frequency. Voltage regulation may also be included in converters. Converters may include voltage regulation circuitry to ensure stable output voltage even when the input voltage fluctuates. Other components can be a fuse or circuit breaker for protection against overloads or short circuits. Surge protection suppresses voltage spikes. Considering voltage and frequency conversion, the transformer in the converter steps down the voltage from 230 volts in the United Kingdom to 120 volts used in the United States. This is necessary for devices designed to operate at 120 volts. If the converter does not have a frequency converter, the output frequency will remain at 50 Hz. Most modern electronic devices, including notebook computers, can operate at both 50 Hz and 60 Hz. However, some older devices or certain types of equipment may require a specific frequency such as 60 Hz. Converters vary in price depending on their features and power rating. Here is a general estimate. Firstly, for the range of $5 to $20, these are simple voltage converters without frequency conversion. Secondly, for the $20 to $50 range, these are voltage converters with basic frequency conversion. Thirdly, for the $50 to $125 range, these are advanced voltage converters with voltage regulation, surge protection, and multi-device compatibility. When traveling, you may need a converter with voltage conversion only. If the devices can operate at 50 Hz, a frequency converter isn't required. A basic voltage converter in the $5 to $20 price range might be sufficient.